Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize sales tax automation in Square for retail, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin authorizing sales tax automation in Square for retail, first, log in to your Square account. Navigate to your account settings by selecting the gear icon in the upper right corner. In the settings menu, click on the taxes option. Once in the taxes section, click on manage sales tax. Here, you'll find the option to enable sales tax automation. Switch the toggle to turn on sales tax automation. Next, select the location for which you want to apply the sales tax automation. After choosing your location, you will see a list of applicable tax rates. Review the rates to ensure they match your local tax requirements. If necessary, make any adjustments to the rates listed. Once you are satisfied with the tax rates, scroll down to save your changes. Next, it's important to set tax rules for specific categories of items if applicable. To do this, navigate back to the main tax settings page. Select Create Tax Rules for categorizing specific products. Input the details for each category, including the name and applicable tax rates. After entering the necessary information for each rule, save your changes. Now, return to the main dashboard to verify that sales tax automation is enabled. Test the setup by conducting a mock sale with items that have different tax rates. Verify that the correct tax is applied to each item during the transaction. If everything looks correct, your sales tax automation is now fully authorized. You can regularly check the taxes section for any updates to tax rates or changes in regulations. With sales tax automation activated, your retail transactions will be handled more efficiently. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.